Hello, dude bros. Hello, dude bros. I'm hungry for some more lunch. Feed me. Feed me. And if you know where Han Solo is, please bring him. He owes me money. Blah, 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 blah.
Doodles TV.
Hi, Dude Bros.
Hi,
Welcome back to the channel. We have the new toy to play with. It has both Mo on it. And when we press his head, he poops out. Hands up! No! This is a retro toy from episode 1.
We are gonna open up this retro toy from Star Wars Episode 1. This toy is 22 years old. It was built around 1998. So we have no idea if the slime is gonna be good. This is so old and super cool. A lot of you guys have probably never seen this. But yeah, we're gonna open it up and then we'll show you guys what's inside. Jabba Glob. Jabba the Hutt is oozing with fun.
Okay, so
who do we got? Who's the main guy in here?
Jabba the Hutt.
Okay.
These guys are little frogs, and this is the slime.
And check out this, you guys. This package is from K-mart. I bet all you kids that are watching this don't even know what K-mart is. Do you know that kid?
Yeah.
What's his name?
His name is Chunky Monks.
Remove Jabba's head and pour in the glob and frogs. Insert the can, as shown, to keep the glob in place. Reattach the parts to make Jabba complete. And then we watch him spew his guts all over our table. We're going to go ahead and we are going to open up this bad boy and we will be right back with some frogs, some slime, and a Jabba the Hutt.
Get this thing open. Okay.
Alright, so we got the Jabba. Who's going to get the slime and the frogs out?
Look at Jabba. Me.
Oh my gosh, his head got squished in.
We got the little frog creature out.
Cool. So we got those ready. Alright guys, we have no idea if the slime is going to work, but here is the moment of truth. This is the first opening of the play gel. Ooh, guys, I don't know. Oh, 22-year-old slime. Look at it, it's just like a piece of like fruit. Well, we can't use this for the slimy play gel goop. But luckily, Daddy was prepared. We have some backup just in case. We found this in the house. It is glow-in-the-dark slime. Alright, so we took some of this slime that we have. We put it inside of the head as directed. And we added some of his little frog creatures to it. Alright, we placed the bottle like so. Alright, ready, Ivan? So let's see, let's show everybody if this works. So now push down. Look at, push down on it. Jabba, what did you eat for lunch? Pukes. Jabba.
Where's the frogs?
Oh my gosh, the frogs didn't come out.
Oh no!
This one.
Oh, there's a frog. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Can I try?
Ooh, Jabba, what was that noise? Did you just... Weston's filling Jabba back up. He's feeding him lunch, but then he's gonna squeeze it out of him. Yep. Hey Jabba, what'd you eat for lunch today? Did you eat Han Solo? Jabba, what are you doing? I just asked you what you had for lunch. You don't need to show me. Oh.
Me. You, Mom. And a frog came out.
Oh, look at
My
the
turn.
frog. He must have ate a frog. Was this a frog from Tatooine? What was that noise, Jabba? Excuse you. You have
tooted.
guests. YouTube is watching right now. Can you please control yourself?
If you guys like Star Wars, give
You
us a
like
huge thumbs up. Right, Ivan?
Yeah.
If you guys want to see our next video, hit the subscribe button.
Hit the Y button.
Click that red button right here under me.
Under me. Thanks you watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.